Good morning, everybody. I forgot to do an intro, but I'm here to share with you guys some deals that I got at Walgreens, so definitely make sure you check. I did more deals, or I showed you guys more deals than what I physically got. I feel like it's a little bit better doing it that way. And then you want to check what I do. I show you my breakdowns of everything that I got, any problems, hiccups, or anything. And then I also have a printable breakdown list for you guys. So I have 3 things for you to do in this video. So here are the deals. The Axe body wash is $4.99. It's buy one, get one 50% off. You want to buy 3 of them. There's currently a 3 off of 3 digital coupon that you want to use. You'll end up paying $9.47, but you will get a $5 register reward when you buy 3 of them. Comes out to be $4.47 or just $1.49 a piece. Here we have the Garnier Fructis on sale for 2 for $7. There's currently a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You'll end up paying $4. That comes out to $2 a bottle. The whole blends is also on sale for 2 for $7, but we have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You'll end up getting these for $3 or $1.50 a piece. We have the Crest, the Oral-B toothbrushes on sale for $3.99. There's also the Crest toothpaste for $3.99. Here we have the Crest toothpaste on sale for $2.99. We also have the Crest Scope on sale for $3.99. But in the app, I actually have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon and $1 off of 1 scope. So you want to buy the 2 toothpaste and 1 scope. You end up using both of those coupons. You'll pay $5.97, but you will receive a $5 register reward, making them 97 cents or 33 cents a piece. The Colgate toothpaste is on sale for $3.99. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you want to use. You'll end up paying $4.98, but you will receive a $5 register reward. The signs are not up to let me know, but you'll end up becoming a freebie. We have the Dawn, we have the Cascade, and we have the Swiffer on sale for $4.99. You want to buy 3 of them. I did not find any digital coupons, but you want to buy 3 of them. You would pay $14.97, but then you'll get a $5 cash rewards, making it $9.97 or just $3.32 a piece. I know a lot of you guys like to get this item, so there you go. Here we have the Cetaphil lotion for $9.99. It is on sale for buy one, get one 50% off. There is a 6 off of 2 coupon in our save inserts from today. I did not get those coupons, but you want to use that 6 off of 2. You'll end up paying $8.98, but then there is an Ibotta rebate for $2.25. So you'll end up getting $4.50 back with Ibotta, making your grand total $4.48 or just $2.24 a piece. So the Orbit gum and I know there's other gums. It says Orbit Extra and Double Mint. They're $1.19 for the Orbit. There's currently a digital coupon for buy one, get one free. It says it right here. So you end up paying $1.19 for 2 of them. Comes out to be just 59 cents a piece if you need some gum. Here we have the Scott's toilet paper for $5. There's currently a $1 off digital coupon, and there is a $1.25 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet or online. You end up getting this pack of toilet paper for just $2.75. Some of the Kellogg's cereal is on sale for $1.88. We currently have a 50-cent off digital coupon that you'd want to use. Your grand total will become just $1.38 for Kellogg's cereal or the Pop-Tarts. Another deal that I like is the 7-Up Canada Dry Sun Drop. They are 3 for $8.99, so you guys can get a good deal on that. Here we have Coke products. These are actually 3 for $11.99. Don't do this deal. You can always do it better. But if you need Coke products, we currently have a 2 off of 3 digital coupon. So you'll end up paying $9.99, getting each pack at $3.33 in case you need to do that deal. Good morning, everybody. Yes, I am filming in the CVS parking lot. I had a problem last week, so I'm not going to be filming in Walgreens parking lot for a while until I feel more comfortable doing it. But I forgot to do an intro, so that's what I did. But I went to Walgreens. There was a couple deals that I wanted to do, but it just didn't turn out what I wanted. And, you know, there's that. Now, one thing I do want to mention is I wanted to do the Listerine deal again, but my account got suspended. I signed up on it, didn't do anything. I just submitted my receipt and now it's suspended. So I sent them a message. They're forwarding it to somebody who can help me. So I don't know how many times you can do that Listerine deal. I heard you could do it 3 times. I don't know if you guys know any more information than I do. I know it's 3 specific bottles to get the $10 registry reward from Walgreens. So I wanted to do that. I just didn't. I don't know what's going on with my account that's being suspended. So we will see what happens with that. I didn't do anything wrong. I just refreshed it and it said, your thing is suspended for, I think I probably still even have it on my phone. But it was just so weird. Yeah, I don't have it anymore. But anyways, I'm here to share with you guys what I got. One thing is you should never go shopping when you're hungry. I wasn't hungry. I was just craving candy. But one thing I do want to mention is if you guys love water like I do, this is the coldest water bottle. I got this. I love it. I love it. I love water that's been sitting for a while. Not like, I like it when it's been super cold and the ice has been starting to melt. But this water bottle has had ice in it since yesterday and it's still going strong. So if you guys are interested, I do have a link below where you guys can get 10% off your order. And there's also a weekly contest where you guys can win something. So you can sign up every week to win a free bottle for yourself, but definitely check that out. This thing is huge. I love it. This thing, like, it's still like all frosty and it's just, it's awesome. It's leak proof and you can also put hot drinks in here. It's supposed to stay cold for 36 hours and hot drinks can stay up for 13 hours. But yeah, you just use code DesignerJen and you guys can get 10% off offer. I'm sorry, but I just love water bottles. Every time we go out for a road trip, we're always bringing a water bottle with us and we just kind of share a bottle. It is not big enough. This thing is a 64 ounce and I think this would be super awesome for us. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. So the first deal I did was the Axe body wash. These were $4.99. They were buy one, get one 50% off. So I bought 2 of them at $4.99 and the other one at $2.49. There is a 3 off of 3 digital coupon that you'd want to use. You would pay $9.47 for the 3 of these, but you will get a $5 register reward, making them $4.47 or $1.49. So if you guys want to do that. I also forgot to mention, I got my first vaccine at Walgreens a couple weeks ago, and they actually gave me a coupon for $5 cash rewards when you spend $1. I haven't used it yet, but if you want to do that deal, you can go, if you get your vaccine at Walgreens. I'm getting my second vaccine later today, so I think I'll probably get another coupon, but if you guys want some free money, I just remembered to tell you that. I keep forgetting. So the next deal I did was the Crest Colgate deal. Now, I don't know if there was a thing advertised for 5 off of 3. I think it's like a monthly thing, but I ended up doing it this way. There is a $1 off coupon for the Crest mouthwash, and then there is a 3 off of 2 coupon for the Crest toothpaste or mouthwash, I think, and then the toothbrushes. But these were actually $2.99. Everything else was $3.99. So that's why I did it this way. So $2.99, $3.99. I used a 3 off of 2 and a $1 off coupon. You would pay $5.97, but then you will also get a $5 register reward, making them 97 cents or like 30 something cents a piece. If you do the Axe deal and this deal, you have to do them in separate transactions because it is the same sale. It's the buy 3 get $5 extra care bucks, or register reward. So make sure you guys figure out what you want to do with that. I also got the Scott's toilet paper. This is $5. It's always going to be $5. There is a rumor that Kimberly-Clark products are going up in price. I could see this probably going up to $6 soon. So if you guys don't have a huge stockpile of toilet paper, definitely try to get some. So $5, there's currently a $1 off digital coupon that you guys want to use. You'll also have a $1.25 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, or you can clip it to your card on the app. This comes out to be just $2.75. Where did I write this down at? $2.75. I always say, hey, try to get under $3. that's the way to go. So I got that. Now I have so much cereal, and Kellogg's, I've had so much of it the last like 2 years because I've been just stocking up on getting free things with it, that I'm like Kellogg's cerealed out. It's crazy. But I ended up getting Pop-Tarts. I haven't bought Pop-Tarts in a while, and I'm kind of craving some Pop-Tarts. So the cereal or the Pop-Tarts are $1.88. There is a 50-cent off digital coupon that you would want to use. You'll just get this for $1.38. So I'm like, why not? Why not get me some Pop-Tarts? I got the toothpaste. Funny thing is, like, when I film my videos, I forget to put stuff in my cart because I show it people and then I forget to put it in my cart. So I go to the register and I'm like, wait, I'm missing one. I'm like, hold on, I gotta go get something. So anyways, the Colgate toothpaste is on sale for $3.99. There is a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you'd want to use. You'll pay $4.98 for 2 of them, but then you also will get the $5 register reward, making this absolutely free. Now you can do this deal with one of those deals and you'll get 2 $5 register rewards picked up, sent out to you guys. So it just depends on how you want to do it. Like I said, I have so much toothpaste, it's ridiculous. I ended up getting the Whole Blends shampoo and conditioner. This is an alright deal, but these are 2 for $7. The Whole Blends is 4 off of 2 digital coupon. The Garnier is a 3 off of 2. So I like getting the 4 off of 2 digital coupon. These come out to be just $3 or $1.50 a piece. So I haven't used Whole Blends in a while, actually. I used to like it. I did. And like I said, don't ever go shopping hungry. I had 2 register rewards that were expiring today that I needed to use. So I just got some Rolos as filler items, and I already ate one as I was driving to CVS. So in case you guys need to go ahead and do that, I'm putting that in my purse because it's going to be hot and it's going to melt. So I did 2 transactions. My total for both transactions were $24.67. Now I didn't pay that because I did pay with cash rewards and I also paid with register rewards, but I don't factor that in when I tell you guys my total. So my total was $24.67. I did receive $15 worth of extra care bucks, 2 for the Oral-B, Crest, Axe, and then the Colgate deal. I received $5.32. I don't know if I had something clipped in my cart. I never added something to my thing this week that I couldn't find, so I don't know if I had a booster or not. But my grand total came to $4.35. I got 14 items at just 31 cents a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal. I like it. I got some Pop-Tarts. I got mouthwash, and my husband really likes using the Axe body wash. So that was my haul. It's a little small, but that is okay. Let me know if you guys have any information on the Listerine, or if you're in the same situation for me, or if you've been trying to contact Listerine. I mean, I know we have until June to do this deal, but I want to do it again and see how many times I can do it because I like Fandango. I use digital movies like there's no tomorrow. I love digital movies, so I'm always trying to get as much credit for that site as possible. But again, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next Sunday. See you later. Bye-bye.